Hey everyone, welcome to Unlock Your Potential, and today I'm going to show you how to create a budget calculator on a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. So what I've gone ahead and done is created some of your standard expenses that most everyone has and grouped them into what I spoke into my previous video of income tax, mandatory expenses, and survival expenses. Do remember that if you take your gross income and subtract everything, that is what you have left over. Our objective is to have a positive number in the leftover field. So what you're going to do is you're going to take, say, for example, the month of June, write what your gross income was for that month, your income tax, Medicare, Social Security, all your mandatory expenses, your survival expenses, and then you take your gross income and subtract it all to have what's left over. So I've already preloaded some numbers on here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take, say, the month of June, for example, your gross income that whole month. Then you're gonna subtract the income tax, Medicare, and Social Security that are on your paycheck for that whole month. I've gone ahead and done this for a person living in a state that doesn't have income taxes, just federal income taxes, sort of like Florida. And with the link that I'll provide below, it was calculated that for Social Security they would pay $124, for Medicare $29, and for income tax $104.63. Then you're going to put in your mandatory expenses what you're paying a month for all of these expenses. So you're going to put how much you're paying for rent, your electrical bill, your water bill, your gas bill, your internet plan, your cell phone plan, how much you're paying for medical insurance and car insurance. If there's any other mandatory expenses that you have, whether it's for living or dental and vision, you can put that in this category as well. The last category is, again, the survival expenses. You can put how much you spent that month on food, how much you spent on gas, and how much you spent on medicine. So as you keep looking into this, you'll actually see areas that you're either spending too much money in or too little money in. You could go ahead and play with, well, now that I have, in this example, $232.37 that I'm saving, well, I need to save more for a future vacation. So in the following months, I'm actually just gonna, for food, limit myself to $200. And that means already, just by limiting myself $200, I've gained $100 every month in my savings. And there's other things that you can do to either increase the amount of leftover, which is what we want to do, and decrease the amount of expenses. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial on how to make a budget calculator in Microsoft Excel.